viewers, welcome back to Gatgets Compare. In this video today we compare two smartwatches, which is Garmin Forerunner 965 versus Garmin Forerunner 265. So let's see the full video. Display type, display size, resolution, aspect ratio, pixel density, always on display, protection, design, strap material, weight, height, width, thickness, body material, colors, water resistant, compatibility, compatible with, battery, battery type, battery life, GPS timing, solar charging, wireless charging, sensors, GPS, gyro, Galileo, GLONASS, barometric, geomagnetic, thermometer, accelerometer, connectivity, Bluetooth, and plus Wi-Fi, USB connectivity, NFC, camera, performance, processor, graphic unit, storage, internal storage, price, hash price USD. Thanks for watching. If you have buy this link in the description, and if you have compare any smartwatch, so please comment in the video, and also like, share and subscribe Gatgets Compare.